Hi folks, welcome back to the Audiofile-Incar, and it's handover time. I'm just about to hand over this absolutely gorgeous BMW M8 competition. It's brand new and it's come to us for an audio upgrade. It started life with Harman Kardon, but the customer was disappointed with that, so he's come along for our System 3 Plus. So the System 3 Plus, as you probably know if you follow our channel, consists of the Focal ES100K front components in the full 4-layer soundproof front doors. Underneath the seats we've got the Audison Prima 8-inch subwoofers, which you can't see. We have managed to integrate to iDrive 7, so that's pretty tricky, but we're getting the hang of it now. We've also added a party sub to this vehicle, so the customer wanted just a little bit more bass than the standard System 3 Plus. So if we come around to the back, I can show you what we've added. It's the JL Audio TW5 13-inch subwoofer. It sits right at the very back of the boot there. It's retained with a steel bracket, riv nuts in the cross member and all bolted in, so it's not going anywhere. We soundproof the boot floor and the boot lid and the side cheeks. We don't soundproof underneath the shelf in these. We've managed to hide all of our equipment in the OEM locations. So underneath here, or just at the back here, you've got the Harman Kardon amp, the RAM module, and we've managed to add the JL Audio 705 amplifier, the H8 Hertz processor, and on this side a JL Audio 601, which is a monoblock amplifier just to run that subwoofer. Now you may be wondering why there's a fire stick box there. If I take you back round to the front of the car, I'll show you. So we've done a few extra bits and pieces in here. If I just press and hold the home button on the iDrive controller, we've got Netflix with the Netflix remote control. So that's linked directly to the DSP in the car, or the DSP which I've added. So we've got a direct audio input to our hi-fi system. So that means if I play a movie on here, the sound quality is incredible. We've also added TV in motion, so if there's a passenger in the car they can watch while they're driving. Pretty impressive stuff. If you like a gadget, this car's full of gadgets. So there you go, that's a BMW M8 with a System 3 Plus, party sub and Amazon TV, and lurking in the background there is our brand new G80 M3, which we took delivery of 2 days ago, and that will very soon have a hi-fi system in it, so you can come and listen to what we can do in the new G Chassis platform. Thanks very much for watching. If you're a BMW fanboy, don't forget to like our channel or follow our channel, and you can see lots more videos about your favourite cars.